Hey, I'm Mr. Sasso, and in this video, we're going to do lesson 5% to a fraction from the Math Fundamentals for the HSPT workbook. If you want to get the workbook to follow along, the link is in the description below. All right, let's get started. So lesson 5, here we go. At the top of this page, we do have some visualizations of a percent to a fraction here, right? So 25% is 1/4. And these are actually ones that you really want to have memorized. 50% is 1/2, 75% is 3/4, and then 100% is 1. Okay, so percent means per 100. So here it is. To change a percent to a fraction, here's all we need to do. Drop the percentage sign, put the number over 100, and then reduce to lowest terms. That's it. And they actually have problems like this on the mathematics subtest of the HSPT, so it's important to have this skill down and know how to do it. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so I'll skip over the examples. Let's just jump into the practice here. So number one, 50%. Now we saw that one at the top, but let me just show you how we would do it. 50 over 100, drop the percentage sign, put it over 100, and then reduce. We can cross out those zeros, and then 5 over 10 is, of course, 1/2. All right, 75% also at the top. But just to show you how we do it, 75 over 100, and if we divide by 25 over 25, right, we're going to get 3/4. Let me box these answers here. All right, next one, 40%. So on the HSPT, they might ask you, what is 40% as a fraction? So how do you do that? Just drop the percentage sign and put it over 100 and reduce, right? So 40 over 100. I like to just cross out the zeros when I'm reducing. And then 4 over 10 is equal to 2/5. Now, you always want to have them lowest terms. That's going to be important. On the HSPT, they always have answers in lowest terms, so you want to get used to going to lowest terms in your answers. Okay, 35%. Let me do that. Yeah, I guess I can do it right here. 35%, so 35 over 100. Now, in this case, we can divide by 5 over 5 to reduce it, right? So 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 7/20, 7 over 20, that's as low as we can go. That's going to be our answer for that one. All right, 79%. Okay, so 79 over 100, and we're not going to be able to reduce that one at all. So that actually is lowest terms, 79 over 100. So there you go. 66%, so that's 66 over 100. Now, if the numerator, which is the top number, and the denominator, which is the bottom number, if they're both even, you will always be able to reduce. And something you can do is just always start by dividing by 2 over 2. So 66 divided by 2 would be 33. 100 divided by 2 is 50. And that's actually as low as we can go here. So 33 over 50, 30%. Let's do that one. So 30 over 100, just drop the percentage sign, put it over 100, and then reduce. That's all we're doing. Here we can drop a 0 on both of those, and then we have 3 over 10, which is lowest terms. 80%, so this is going to be 80 over 100, and drop a 0, and 8 over 10, divide by 2 over 2, and we get 4/5, 4 over 5. And then 27%, so this is going to be 27 over 100, and we're not going to be able to reduce that one at all. 27 is odd, so 27 over 100. And number 10, 100%, so this is going to be 100 over 100, and that reduces to 1 over 1, which is 1. We actually saw that at the top of our page here as well. All right. Short lesson, good lesson. Make sure you have this skill down. I'll see you in the next video.